So moving on. As you can see, we have a little chaotic thing going on, but we are going to go into the Nhedron, and now we're going to add the things that we need. So firstly, we need to add the point, so I'm going to take the block add point, and just before we restore, that means we have moved our distance, we start adding the points. And then we turn, and then we don't need that pen down. It seems like it was a bit of a... And then we just need a for loop. Classical. The good thing about the for loop as opposed to the repeat is that here we have an extra I, which we can use for good stuff. So for now, let's just repeat n times, and then we need the 168, we need the go to point, and because it expects a list, so what we can do is we can feed it with a list, hi list, there you go. And we actually need two items. We need item 1 of item I, depending on which element of the point bag we're in. So I'm looking for the point bag. There we go. So that is the x coordinate, and then we can actually duplicate this one and say the y is actually just the item 2 of item wherever we are with the in the point bag. And then for the drawing to actually happen, we sort of need to postpone it a little, because we need just to go there. So one of them is more clever, so the other one is just go to. And when we combine these two, so the x is again item 1. Sometimes it can be a little hard to get it into the right spot. Well, there you go. And then we go. And then we need the item 2 in the y value. There we go. So that should more or less be it. So let's see what's happened. Yeah! And I think I'll make it a little less thick, otherwise it looks wrong. You can see now it looks absolutely fine. So this is our fake perspective with a 1 vanishing point. And if you want to be more fancy, you could also, of course, register where the mouse pointer is and then move your little icon here. Sorry, I'm a bit too tired for that. So I'll leave that to you. But it actually works very well. And I'm actually thinking that some of these shapes that we get like this are actually very interesting. Yeah. So we'll do a few more experiments utilizing this funny little shape. And yeah, that's it.